The Swiss Army knife is one of the world's best known tools, and 10 million of them are manufactured every year. But how does one factory produce 45,000 each day, and in such a precise manner? The Swiss Army knife has been around for nearly 130 years. It was first delivered to the Swiss Army by Karl Elsner in 1891. The knives are now produced by Victorinox, Europe's largest knife manufacturer. The main factory in Ibach, Switzerland, produces a variety of knives designed to offer versatility and compactness. Here, it takes around 5 minutes to produce a pocket knife depending on the model. There are 400 different models. 2,400 metric tons of steel are imported to the factory each year. From these rolls, knife blades are stamped to 2 mm thick. This requires 50 metric tons of pressure. Each roll can make 16,000 blades. Various tools require various alloys for hardness. The basis of the knife is 85% iron, along with 13% chromium and a small trace of other metals.
The steel we use is inox, the famous material, and the advantage of the inox, as everybody knows, is inoxidable. Donc, it means in terms of quality, you have the very strong material.
Blades are made from hard steel, whereas screwdrivers are formed from a softer steel. The blades are rounded off using triangular-shaped plastic wheels and water. The knife blades are then extracted via a magnet and grinded down to achieve an exact width. Each blade must measure 2 mm thickness. They are imprinted with a company stamp, then placed in an oven at 1050 degrees Celsius. The blades are then sharpened and checked again for thickness. The signature red outer casing is formed via injection moulding. Other tools for the knives are produced on nearby machines via a process of milling and grinding. A small metal cross emblem, the Victorinox cross and shield, is inspected via a microscope to ensure standard thickness. This was added the first time in 1909 and later to all Victorinox knives since 2006. The classic officer's knife is assembled by machine at the factory. Other editions are assembled by hand. Each component part of a knife is checked and polished by hand before it can go on sale. The knives are exported from the Ibach factory to over 120 countries. And, of course, the pocket knife designs have changed over the years. Victorinox keeps adding new features, such as USB storage and laser pointers.